Stop scrolling. Right now. If you're a content creator, a professional filmmaker, or someone who is constantly asking, how can I get cinema quality footage without carrying a backpack of gear? You need to hear this. Turn off the noise. Silence the distractions. For years, the DJI Pocket line has been a genius compromise. Pocket size meets gimbal stability. But the compromises are about to end. DJI has been preparing a device that will not just compete with mirrorless cameras. It will humiliate them with its portability and intelligent design. We're talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an upgrade. This is the biggest leap forward in portable filmmaking since the original Pocket. The leaks are scattered across the deepest corners of the supply chain, but we have connected the dots. And what we've uncovered is the blueprint for a device that will be the single most disruptive camera release of the year. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes. By the end, you won't just be excited. You'll understand why your current vlogging camera is about to become obsolete and why you absolutely must wait for this tiny powerhouse. Let's start with the headline grabber. The feature that no one saw coming, the dual camera setup. Leaked design renders show a radical departure from the single-lens Pocket tradition. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature two separate lenses on the gimbal head. Why two? The primary sensor is rumored to be an upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor, the same gold standard for professional low-light performance found in the Pocket 3. But the second lens? Rumors suggest it could be a telephoto or ultra-wide lens, giving the Pocket true optical zoom flexibility for the first time. Imagine this. A tiny camera that can instantly switch from a wide-angle vlog perspective to a zoomed-in, optically stable shot of a subject far away. This eliminates the need for clumsy digital zoom and massively expands the cinematic potential of the Pocket line. Even more explosive, some leaks suggest the dual cameras could allow for simultaneous recording, capturing a wide-angle shot and a telephoto shot at the same time, or even a front-facing, vlogger view and a rear-facing, scene view for seamless reaction content and dynamic travelogues. This is a content creation innovation you can literally hold in your hand. Dual cameras mean nothing without cinema-grade image quality. And the Pocket 4 is set to deliver. The upgraded 1-inch sensor is rumored to be paired with Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS. This is huge. It means richer tones, superior skin rendition, and an incredible dynamic range right out of the camera. The footage won't just be sharp, it will be cinematic. But the real power lies in the frame rates. The Pocket 3 gave us 4K/60. The Pocket 4 is rumored to push 4K at 120 FPS, or even 4K at 240 FPS. Think about that. Ultra-smooth, professional slow-motion capability in your pocket. Capture the splash of a wave, the falling confetti, or a slow-motion parkour move with incredible detail. For the color grading professionals, we expect 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG recording to be standard, giving you maximum flexibility in post-production. The Pocket 4 is designed to seamlessly integrate into a high-end workflow, no matter how small the camera body is. DJI is the undisputed king of stabilization, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to push this to an